Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, you will see how we can create a grid-like table in Power BI. You see, I already have a table here, which is the normal table that is available in the visualization. And here, when you have too many entries, you have to scroll down. You cannot have one, two, three, like move from one page to another. But you can do that by the help of a custom visual that we will first add to our report, and we will see how it works. So let's get started. And first, I will go here and I will click on Get More Visuals. Here I will search for grid and we will search for a grid visual. Let's go down. And we see this. I'll select it and I'll show you what it is. So this is grid by MAQ software. Now you can see also here how it will look like. And we can also do sorting here. You see it's a free visual. I will simply go and click add. Now that it has been imported, import successful. Click OK. Now let's bring this to our page. Let me just make this one shorter so we can compare. Now here you can add values and tooltips. So we will just simply add the values here, say similar to the ones that we have here. So we start with project ID, then we have project name, then we can have team lead ID, start date, use it, start date, and for start date we use start date, and then we can have progress and don't summarize progress. We can have status, and then we can have status here, and the team member name. We can add role, and you see already the grid is appearing here. You can also jump, you can move from here, or you can jump from 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, you can add more rows to it. Now this is how it will be created. Let's further see how we can modify it. I will leave the location and budget, but you can add more to it. We will click on format visual, and we only have one option, grid configuration. So you can select the size, you can shorten it if you want. Maximum rows you can define, so we can add more and you can have less, how you want it. So this is cool. You can have the sort keys at which level you want it. So we have it here. So you can see, you can sort from here. Column number, you can add, you can change here. So this is how you can configure your grid. In the general tab, you can format it how you format any general Power BI visual. So you can select the size and height. You can lock aspect ratio. Title, you have this. You can just remove it if you want. And for the effects, we can have a background. Let's say you can have this. You can add a visual border. You can add shadow and date format and all the data format and all these things. So this is how you can add a grid visual in your Power BI for a table. It's pretty simple. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.